class 11th student or a 12th student or a repeater or re-repeater. Entire 1 year syllabus, what you study in your college or a school, that entire syllabus you are going to learn just in a 3 month, that's it. In this course now, I will guide you how to be so healthy, like what and all simple tips I'll tell you so that you can be healthy and you can be disciplined. Hi students, I'm your Komali ma'am. In this session, I'm going to tell you about the new batch I'm going to launch, that is Complete Class 12 Chemistry. Let's see what are the benefits of this course and what you are going to learn in this course, what are the timings, what is the duration, every information I'm going to give you about your chemistry preparation. Watch this video up to the end. Total 3-month course, okay? Just 3 months, entire 1 year syllabus, what you study in your college or a school, that entire syllabus you are going to learn just in a 3 month, that's it. June, July and August. In a June, you are going to learn complete physical chemistry. In July, you are going to learn complete organic chemistry. And in August, you are going to learn complete inorganic chemistry. See, you will get a clear-cut teaching schedule. Let's say, for example, solutions chapter. Solutions chapter, first 1 week you will learn. Next, electrochemistry chapter. Next, chemical kinetics chapter. In a proper, well-mannered teaching schedule, you get 1 month physical, June month, 1 month organic chemistry, 1 month inorganic chemistry. Then what are the timings of this course, ma'am? When I have to attend? I'm very busy. I have to go to my college, I have to study, and I'm going to my school. No time for me to attend. You know, whether you are a class 11th student or a 12th student or a repeater or re-repeater, any one of you, whether you are preparing for a NEET or a main students also, this course is specially designed for NEET students, NEET 2026 students, and who are preparing for a JEE mains also, you can opt this course. You will feel very happy. No need to worry at all. Ma'am, what are the timings, ma'am? Just give me morning 6 to 7:30, and after 7:30, you can, like morning 6 to 7:30, right? Evening 7 to 8:30. Morning class is a live class. I will personally take the class. Evening is morning class. It will be rescheduled. It will be recorded and it will be rescheduled as a live evening. Okay, you don't get a recorded class. You have to sit and attend the class. Understand? So, ma'am, out of these 2 batches, which batch shall I select? You please select morning batch. If it is not possible, then only you go to the evening batch. Okay, either morning or evening, any one batch you select. 6 to 7:30 I'll guide you. After 7:30, 5 minutes it may extend the class depending upon the topic. Okay, if 5 or 10 minutes it may extend, and if any doubts or any discussion, I'll discuss with you directly. You can talk to me, you can interact with me, and you can clear your doubts, what you have learned in that day, whether you are able to understand. If you feel any difficulty while explaining, you can just raise your hand at the end of the class and you can talk to me and you can clear. But mostly when you listen my class itself, all your doubts will be cleared. Everybody clear? Timings morning 6 to 7:30 and evening 7 to 8:30. Morning is a live. Please select morning if possible so that you can interact with me. Whatever college you go, you are a self-studying student, means at home you are sitting and studying. Super awesome it will be. No ma'am, I am very busy. Then select morning, you finish your chemistry class and you can go wherever you want. Understand? That will be very easy for you to manage 6 to 7:30 timings. And what are the course features? In this course, complete syllabus you are going to learn. From basics to depth you are going to learn. Understand? Every point I'll teach you. Even if you don't know anything, ma'am, my basics are not good at class 11th, how can I understand class 12th? You no need to worry about a class 11th, because there is no relationship between the solutions chapter, What do you want to know about class 11? Class 11, if you know or you don't know, there is no relation. Electrochemistry, when you know class 11 or class 12, no relation. You know, chemical kinetics, no relation. Organic chemistry, there will be some relation. So our organic schedule will be designed in such a way, all the basics what you have to learn, everything will be included in the course itself, because I know where you feel difficulty, understand? So you no need to worry that, ma'am, my basics are not good, whether I'll be able to understand or not. You will understand everything. Every point, step by step, I'll guide you. Pin to pin explanation. I'll give you pin to pin explanation. Very easy, very easy. Okay. Pin to pin explanation. Every point will be explained in such a way that you feel wow, that is my responsibility. And basics to the depth will be covered. Normally in regular classes, sometimes what may happen is, in a class few students able to answer, few students not able to answer. That time you feel low. Okay, why I am not able to understand? Why it is happening for me only? Is it chemistry that much difficult? No, chemistry is very, very easy. Only few, that structure you have to follow. What is the structure? Whatever the schedule, I'll send you. Okay, go through the schedule, attend the class without missing. Okay, and practice what I teach enough. That blueprint I'll give you clearly. Only your responsibility is that 3 months, sit in a class, finish your syllabus. Okay, even you don't even get the doubt also, go through your running notes. Step by step, I'll dictate even the notes. Just to follow that, it is enough. Once you learn in a week, complete syllabus, you are going to get the questions for practice every day. Okay, you will get the questions for practice. In a class, I will dictate, I will give you the questions, I'll solve the questions. After the class, again, I will send you some questions for practice. Just practice those questions, practice your running notes. Every week you write an exam. It's not like every week. Once the chapter is done, like after 5 days, if chapter is done, you will write a weekend. If it is done in 7 days, you write in after chapter. So how many chapters are there? After a completion of every chapter, you are going to write an examination online. You get a question paper link to your WhatsApp number. Just click the link, and that link will be active 24 hours. Any out of 24 hours, just 30 minutes, any 30 minutes you can write it. Next day you will get your question paper, solution in a class, which rank you are, result analysis you will get to your WhatsApp number. Easy, na? How nicely you can check your progress. And again, if you stuck with some doubts, okay, when you are doing, when you are solving, you got some doubt, what you can do is, every Sunday, we will be having doubts clearance session by expert faculty. Sit in a class. Morning 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. you will be having a doubt class. Sit in a class, you talk to the faculty, you can directly interact. Every day, you will talk to me, you clear all your doubts, and again, weekend, another faculty will come, he will guide you, so that all your chemistry burdens will go away. Mostly by my class itself it will go. If still here and there, if any doubts is there, Sunday you have to attend the class. That is an optional class. It is not mandatory to attend a Sunday's class. Understand? Many students benefited by this course. You know, so many students are happy. Okay, they see that difference. Before, when you study, you stuck at some topics. When you are solving that, you will not be knowing how this technique came, how to do. But when you come to the coaching, we know where you stuck. That will help you so much. See how many students benefited.
I got placed in Kanpur Medical College in Tamil Nadu with 98.44% rank in chemistry. Actual practice and to get scholarship. Hard trick to find
I'm telling you now, I'm so happy. I want to share my gratitude to you all. Because of you only today it happened. I am able to take the class. I'm taking a class once. See, when I'm taking class, I'll get happiness. Okay, after a class every day, I'll feel very happy when I see the smile over the student faces. Once they get the good result and they come and tell, ma'am, because of you it happened. See, that is that every teacher need that only. Parents and teachers, these two are the people who want your success always, who want to see you growing in your career. When I see this now, I feel like a flying in the sky. Thank you so much for all the seniors and the students who are learning from me. And in this course, see, normally if you go to the coaching, you have to travel from your home to somewhere. There you have to select the best coaching institute. Their faculty, you don't know how they teach. Their concepts should resonate with you. You have to understand. So sometimes if physics good, chemistry won't be good. If sometimes biology is good, chemistry won't be good. That won't match with you. But if you select the best mentor who is available online, just to sit morning 6 to 7:30. Happily, you have to on your camera. Okay, like this. See, here I am there, right? Here I am there now. Here all the students who on the camera and sitting and talking to me and interacting with me. When I play some joke, they will laugh. That gives me happiness to me as well as even to you when you interact with your teacher personally. And you can I dictate the notes. You have to write the notes each and every day. Every point I dictate, you have to write the notes. You know, one notebook you have to put physical chemistry, different notebook, organic chemistry, different notebook, and inorganic chemistry, different notebooks. Okay, you will get all the clear instructions before starting of the classes. You have to buy 3 notebooks and color pens and highlighters, everything. I'll inform you, I'll send you the message. Mode of language is simple English language. Okay, just very easy language I'll teach you. It is not like something, the language which students don't understand. Whatever your mother tongue can be, simple English language I use. Directly, what I teach, it comes to your mind. Only you just to sit in a class, it is enough. Whatever your level, you can start from zero. Ma'am, you are telling start from zero. I don't know how to write ABCD. Not that case. If someone teach me, I will learn, ma'am. I am in a state, my mind is okay. If someone come and tell, go straight, take left, go again straight, take right. If someone give the path, I'll follow the same instruction, ma'am. You tell me, I want to get highest mark in chemistry. Commit like that. Give that commitment to Komali, ma'am. See your chemistry result. And syllabus, what syllabus, new syllabus launched by NTA, the same syllabus you are going to learn. Is it clear? And how the classes will be is, classes are through Zoom. Okay, just you will install the Zoom app in your either mobile phone or laptop. You just install it, and then you can course instructions also you will get after joining, how to install, how to log in, either phone or laptop, anything. And exams you write, weekly exams, the result, as I told you, result you will get to your WhatsApp number. You know, you can give access to your parents, or you can go through it, and week by week you can show the improvement. That these are live interactive classes. Understand it. These are not the classes like you will purchase some recorded classes, 1 year course. It will be in a phone itself, but you don't get the time to watch only. That will be always pending, procrastination. It goes on like that. But these classes are interactive. Just talk to me. You interact with me. Okay, when after the class, that gives you an energy to you. Listening, so much time you can save. Because I have total 13 or 12 and a half year of experience. I am having 12 to 13 years of experience. During this experience, I gained so much knowledge, right? So this and all I teach you. So just in a 3-month, 1 year syllabus, you will get in a 3-month. All the tips, tricks, shortcuts, everything. First I'll teach you full concept. From basic I'll start. I'll go to the depth, how much it is needed for your examination. I'll teach you the shortcuts. Then easily you can solve, no? Why to put so much effort? Why to struggle so much? You can simply save your time. Save your time. Once your chemistry class over, you will get energy. You feel like, vareva, I finished my chemistry class. See, it's a productivity gives us happiness. You only see any day if you want to study, but that day you watch your mobile phone or you are talking to your friends, going outside, you did not study anything. Then that day night when you sleep, what you feel your heart say? See, today entire day you wasted your time. From tomorrow you should not do like this. That sadness will come in the heart, right? But when you finish your task day to day, if you complete your task, then how happy you will be, and you will try to apply the same thing what you are learning in other subjects also. Your entire day will be very much active. In this course now, I will guide you how to be so healthy, like what and all simple tips I'll tell you, so that you can be healthy and you can be disciplined and you can plan your day. You can plan your day properly, and you can come out of the stress. Once you are not studying the syllabus because you are not understanding. See, you go to some college, there you are not understanding anything, then parents what they do? See, simply I paid this much in the college, you are not learning anything, you are not getting any marks, then they come and scold you. Even whatever they put so much pressure, you are not understanding. There are some places where morning to night you will study there only, but outcome is zero. Then when outcome is zero, automatically the stress come to you. So much of stress and burden you feel. No need. Listen to me, trust me, just follow my instructions. Sit in a class, keep your mind free. Like whatever you have, that previous fears, that procrastination, that everything mentally you dedicate. Komali ma'am, I am surrendering myself to your class. Okay, every day what you teach, I'll practice. Practice makes you very much perfect. Practice is the ultimate key to the success. 1.5 hour I teach you. You can't you practice on the same day or a weekend anytime? Easily you can practice. See, classes are only from Tuesday to Saturday. Weekly 5 days classes only. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay. Sunday, Monday, no class. Sunday doubt session. If you have a doubt, you will attend. If you don't have a doubt, you don't attend. That is optional. These 2 days, sit and revise the entire chapter. Be ready for your exam. How easy procedure it is. Before this, to get a good coaching, we have to go somewhere, find a best mentor and attend the classes. But it's not like that. Because of this online, teacher is in your hand. Just pick the best teacher available to you. For this entire course, do you know the fee structure? For the first enrolled 100 students, the fee structure is just 6,000 rupees. That's it. See, for the entire course of complete class 12th chemistry, physical, organic, inorganic, for the entire 3 months, course fee is just 6,000 rupees. That's it. And the next 100 students, fee structure is 8,000 rupees. For the next 100 students, fee structure is 8,000. But here one point I want to tell you. Complete course fee is 14,000 rupees, chemistry, class 12 chemistry. This fee structure is only for the first enrolled students. Who get this offer was first enrolled students. First 100, next 100 is 8,000, next 100 is 10,000. After that, fee structure is 14,000 for the students who join. So this every batch I launch 2 months of the starting date of the course. If you block your seat and you block my time, ma'am, this month, this batch time, I am going to study under you. If you do that, immediately this much concession you will get. 14,000 to 6,000, you just imagine, I am going to give you more than 50% of the concession in the fee. Just 6,000 rupees per month, it will be around 2,000. It is a fee, is a single payment. Just after paying the fee, before starting of the classes, you will get the student ID. Okay, classes, how you can contact me, how to enroll in this course, very easy. Just send your 10th mark sheet and photocopy to my WhatsApp number 9110662880. Send your 10th mark sheet and photocopy, most important. If you feel any security issue, you can strike your 10th mark sheet and you can share to me, no problem. But these are live interactive classes. So these courses are only for the students who are preparing for the NEET examination, NEET 2026, and main students also can opt this course. Just what you have to do is sit in a class, and what I do, I'll transfer entire my experience and my knowledge just to you. Now, as of now, keep your hand also like this. Yes, keep your hand. Transfer chemistry knowledge. Easy. Listen to me, students. Chemistry is a very easy subject, and that subject itself has that beauty. How much you read also, it gives that energy. Very easy. Just to follow me. If I say, see, this is the technique, just copy the technique, apply that trick in your examination, see how much you improve. Your teachers itself will surprise if you go somewhere. Your friends will ask you, see how you are able to get it. I'm not asking you so much time. I'm just asking your 3-month time to finish your class 12 syllabus. Don't worry about your class 11 if you are in repeater or a 12th student or 11th student. No need. Just whatever I say, follow that. I hope I'll see you in my classroom. My name is Komali. I'm your chemistry mentor. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you again in my class. Bye all of you. Have a great day.